Looking for iAnyGo alternatives? Here are the top 9 for GPS spoofing and route simulation. iAnyGo overview. Cons: app detection, costly features, cost, $12.95 month, $99.95 year, $129.95 lifetime. Safety: SSL, no jailbreak or root, but some apps been spoofing. Let's explore the alternatives. 1. Best Tenorshare iAnyGo alternative virtual location tool. Consistent, flexible GPS simulation and route planning are core functions of virtual location tool, making it suitable for daily use and gaming. It supports most iOS and Android devices, without requiring jailbreak or root access. User guide. Install and connect. Install, launch, click Start, and connect your unlocked Android or iOS device. Choose teleport mode, wait for the map, then click the teleport icon, set location, enter or select a location on the map, apply change, click move to update your GPS instantly. 2. Aiseesoft AnyCoord. With the focus on precise positioning and stable performance, Aiseesoft AnyCoord allows users to change their virtual location with just a few clicks. Both single-point teleporting and multi-point navigation are available for daily use and gaming needs. 3. iToolab AnyGo. For people who prefer advanced route customization, iToolab AnyGo provides multiple movement modes and speed controls. It supports joystick navigation, which helps simulate real walking behavior more naturally. 4. PoKeep Location Changer. Aimed at users who value convenience and efficiency, PoKeep Location Changer offers fast teleportation and stable virtual movement. Location history and favorite spots can be saved for future access. 5. FonesGo Location Changer. For those who need flexible control over GPS data, FonesGo Location Changer provides teleport, to point, and multi-point movement options. It allows users to customize routes based on personal habits and app requirements. 6. MagFone Location Changer. Built for users who expect reliable spoofing in location-based games, MagFone Location Changer supports realistic movement and adjustable speed. It reduces the risk of abnormal jumps by simulating natural travel paths. 7. WooTechy iMoveGo. Focusing on smooth navigation and simple operation, WooTechy iMoveGo enables users to modify GPS positions with minimal effort. Both keyboard and joystick controls are available for flexible movement. 8. PGSharp. Popular among mobile gamers, PGSharp is designed exclusively for Android users who need in-app GPS modification. It integrates directly with certain games like Pokemon Go, reducing the need for external software. 9. Foneazy MockGo. Developed mainly for Apple device users, Foneazy MockGo supports location simulation on iPhone and iPad without system modification. It offers teleportation, route planning, and adjustable movement speed.